Thanks for watching our video on how to deal with common problems with ToAuto Handheld Inkjet Printer HP003. Hoping it is helpful to you. Problem 1. How to import files to the machine. Please use the USB flash drive in the accessory package. Step 1. Import the file into the U-disk in the computer. Step 2. Insert the U-disk into the printer and import it into the printer from the U-disk. Tip 1. The printer cannot be directly connected to a mobile phone or computer. Tip 2. The file import format is CSV format. Tips 3. This machine can recognize pictures in various formats, but the picture size cannot exceed 20 kilobytes. Problem 2. How to print Arabic text. Step 1. If your computer is a Windows system, enter from the path of C drive, Windows fonts, find the font file that supports Arabic, and copy it to the U-disk. If your computer is a Mac, find the Arabic supported font file from the font book in your computer's applications folder. Then choose File, Export Fonts, choose where to store the fonts, then click Save. Of course, you can also directly download Arabic supported font files online. Step 2. Link the U-disk to the printer. Step 3. Click the font button, select the font, click the imported font file, and the page can be displayed normally. And then input Arabic characters normally. Problem 3. What should we do if the machine cannot recognize the U-disk? Step 1. Please use the spare U-disk attached to the machine. If you use your own U-disk, the capacity of the U-disk cannot exceed 1 GB. If it can be recognized, the original U-disk is damaged. Step 2. If the problem cannot be solved, please provide the diagnosis page to us. Problem 4. How to print 2 lines at the same time. Step 1. On the main interface, click Add. After the page jumps, click Text or Date. Step 2. Enter the first line of text, click OK to confirm. Step 3. Repeat steps 1, 2, and 3, and the second line of text on the main interface. Step 4. Adjust the text position to print 2 lines. Problem 5. What should we do if the touch screen is normal, but the machine cannot print, or the print has streaks? Step 1. Check whether the ejector pins or contacts of the machine are damaged. Step 2. Shake the cartridge up and down. Step 3. Wipe the nozzle with a cotton swab soaked in alcohol or a paper towel, or soak it in alcohol. Step 4. Exchange left and right nozzle in settings. Step 5. If the problem still cannot be solved through the above solutions, please contact us and provide us with the diagnosis page or corresponding pictures for confirmation. Tips. Please take out the ink cartridge after each use, and cover the ink cartridge with a transparent cover to prolong the use time. Problem 6. What should we do if the machine is not charging? Step 1. Check if the charger indicator light is on. If it does not light up, please confirm whether the power supply or charger interface is loose. If it is not loose, the charger is damaged. Please replace the charger. If you do not have a suitable charger, please contact us. Step 2. If the charger lights up normally, the reason is that the battery is damaged. Please contact us. Tips: if the machine needs to be connected to a charger to turn on, then the battery is damaged. Please contact us.